9 and 1. We out here rapping for money, you niggas rapping for fun. I don't fuck with nobody, hear this shit for fun. You would think it's all mine, the way I took it. You would think it broke down, the way I push it. You hate it when I quote things, all that sugar. You wanna hear the real talk, well girl, who would it? Working, ain't ya? You don't have no time to lay up. You just trying to be somebody. For your sake, you need somebody. Get all your affairs in order. I won't have affairs, I'm yours, girl. Faithful. You hit me like I know you, that was someone else. That pussy knows me better than I know myself. On my way from the studio, so get undressed. Let's do the things that we say on text. Yeah. I wanna get straight to the climax. Straight to it. Yeah. Hey, you coming out summer like a season pass. Yeah. I wanna turn you out like pitch black. Wanna watch you do the work while I sit back. Yeah. Cause you talk like you got what I need. Yeah. Talk like you got the juice and the squeeze. Talk like you bet it all on me. Yeah. And you can't take no L's off me. I know you've been working, ain't ya? You don't have no time to lay up. You just trying to be somebody. For your sake, you need somebody. Get all your affairs in order. I won't have affairs, I'm yours, girl. Faithful. How far we go always seems to be. How smart, baby. Told me that you was better than me. Tell me I should know ya. I'll get to know you again. You want me to show ya? I'm gonna show you again. Now we're in the zone, yeah. Gonna be on it again. Now you're coming over.
All right, what are we doing?
It's just too good to be true. Feel like I'm moving forever. Can't believe that you just left me. I got hella shit to do today. I'm just hoping you don't let me in. I'm ready for breakfast in bed. I'm ready for another round. Your melody's stuck in my head. I never heard a sweet sound. Oh, I can sing it all night long. I'm trying to get the right tone. Wanna make it down, no, keep it on repeat like my jaws. I'm ready for breakfast in bed. I'm ready for another round. You already know my name. I just wanna hear you scream it out. Oh, mama, oh, mama. I tried, but I can't stop thinking about you and your body, touching my body. I fucking lose it. Girl, I don't know what to do. Am I dreaming? What am I seeing? I can't believe it. It's just too good to be true. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. I know, you know, we know, you survive. I said, I know, you know, we know, you survive. But my face, your face, it's elated. Who should stop? My face, your face, elated. Who should stop? I lost it all. My friends, my loved ones. But in life, there's always a chance to grow from the struggle, the pain, from the real. Here's my story. Flowy. Hey world, yeah, I know it's been a while. Thought I'd come around, let you know what's up now. No album lately, so my mind is kinda up down. I still been taking care of my mama, and somehow disappeared from the scene and left my old team. Had to find a new approach to an old dream, and it's not to take a shot at my old team. I just want you to see this is me. So please accept me for who I am, and please accept me for what I do. I'm just doing everything that I can, cause all I wanna be is true. So please accept me for who I am, and please accept me for what I do. Cause there's no me without you, and all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true. Apologies if I ever let you down. So much shit that happened that it's hard to talk about. So many lawsuits that my lawyer said don't talk about it. Just had to pray and keep it cool till I can walk about it. Came home, helped my sister raise a child. Kinda hurt me cause I couldn't have my own life. Lost my baby, then it's really getting home now. I just had to learn this is me. So please accept me for who I am, and please accept me for what I do. I'm just doing everything that I can, cause all I wanna be is true. So please accept me for who I am, and please accept me for what I do. Cause there's no me without you, and all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is you. I look up to the sky, Lord, why do I cry when no one is looking? Is the blame for this pain even caused by the shame of this fame I've been given? My pride don't cause me to hide my true feelings, cause I can only be real. Hey, cause I can only be real. So please accept me for who I am, but please accept me for what I do. I'm just doing everything that I can, cause I'm wanna be is true. So please accept me for who I am, and please accept me for what I do. Cause there's no me without you, and all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true. And all I wanna be is true.
Finally paving that shit. Let's go. Love that. Stop off-roading and shit over here. Got me out here like fucking Dave Mirra. Almost slipped. Dirty biscuit. You little liquor. second motherfucker. I didn't hear the second motherfucker. These kids are cracking me up. Boy, it's a whole new generation. Riding little mini fucking motorcycles and ski masks and shit. What the fuck? What part of the game is this? Imagine getting jacked by a little motherfucker in a ski mask on a bike this big. Left side.
Fell in love with you after the club last night. They don't know what you do.
Ah, yeah. I'll take some in today.
Gonna treat you right. Girl, don't act like you changed when we both know you changed. And I know you love me. Girl, check my code. That's on the road. Girl, take your advice. Girl, I'd like you change when we both know pain. And I know you love me. Do I think you're lovely? Girl, take my call. Got that ass on the floor. See you move on that wall. Let me look at you and go. Girl, check my call. Got that ass on the floor. See you move on that wall. Let me look at you and go. Look at you and go.
Middle.
This here is on some truthful shit. It seems like everything I do, you're used to it. And I hate hearing stories about who you've been with. I swear I got high. So you said that I'm confident. Is this gonna last? You're up on a pedestal, are we moving too fast? Feel like I'm in crazy competition with the past. Why I gotta ask? Anything I'm doing brand new, brand new, brand new. It's anything I'm doing brand new.
Song added to the chokehold in college.
Brand new, brand new. This here is something personal. Highly doubt this feeling is reversible. Knowledge is pain, and that is why it hurts to know. So I don't ever question you, girl. I can't even find perfect words so I can pray what's going through my mind. Racing against myself, but I'm a couple steps behind. That's why I gotta have anything I do is brand new, brand new, brand new. Anything I do is brand new. Is anything I'm doing brand new?
another one. Let's go. Left side. Left side. Just in our own little world. Making my way downtown. Right side. Go. Go. Dumbass. Oh, let's get your dumb ass up. On this fucking phone, I don't give no fuck. Being polite to nobody who fucking kill somebody not paying attention. Fuck you. Go.
You stay.
Damn, just missed it. I'm about to say, I got every light today. I like that though. Get me on up through there. That's why you don't go unless it's white. When that motherfucker gonna change. And they do not look before they go. You will be a hood ornament. How to make a tutorial how to survive biking out in Arizona. And I'll do a driving tutorial for the dumbasses too. 90% of these people are on their phone. Yeah, give me all those lights. Love it. Love that for me. Nope. Don't ever let them let you go first. Trust issues. That's how you stay alive. I'm not gonna sit here and play the game. Oh, they see me. I don't give a fuck. Go ahead. That's the only way to make sure. 100%. Bring your ass home. I'll wait. And you see my black asses on this sidewalk. I wish I would be out there in the street with these motherfuckers. Like cheating going this route. I got so used to the long one this weekend, going 2-3 times this distance, but we'll save that for the weekends. Have some extra fun. I gotta piss. Can't say P. Diddy no more. water alone for a second. Before I'm out here pissing on somebody's tree. Let this well out. There we go. Quick lights, baby. I like that. Another one. Another quick one. She trying to come over. That wind fucking me up over here. God, enough. That's the pee.
She said, you can't know what I've done. You can't go where I'm from. Your lips can lie, but your eyes can't hide. You're too young. You're too young. How I adore our love would be so true. I just wish you knew. I'd be all yours if my mind didn't wander. I got scarred from my life before you. Please don't think I'm insecure. I just can't trust no one else. Please don't think I'm insecure. I just feel safe by myself. She said, you can't know where I've gone, or how far I've run. There's a reason why I can't lie. All of me. Maybe I ain't the one. How I adore scars from my life before you. Please don't think I'm insecure. I just can't trust no one else. Please don't think I'm insecure. I just feel safe by myself.
Have to pay. Weather has been perfect lately.
You're still the one that I adore. Ain't much out there to have feelings for. Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is? Yours. A few bottles on the table, a few waters. It ain't a secret, baby, everybody saw us. Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is? It's yours. Next time we fuck, I don't wanna fuck, I wanna make love. Next time we talk, I don't wanna just talk, I wanna trust. Next time I stand tall, I wanna be standing for you. And next time I spend, I wanna be for you.
I ain't get there. What are they waiting for? I know she ain't waiting all this damn time. I'll take it.
Niggas talk more than bitches these days. Niggas talk more than bitches these days. Who can get the pussy quicker these days? Still straight with the weed and the liquor these days. Cause the new drugs got the kid tripping these days. Bunch of journalists been searching for a story. My ex-girl been searching for a story. Couple bitches trying to have me all the more. Like nigga, it's yours. You should be supporting, but
I don't know why I was so quiet today. Is my shit break or did I just...
You ain't even hit me when that nigga had threats for me, girl. You don't love me, you just say that shit to get to me, girl. Cause you got the bad phone in my work line.
Yeah, it was just on light. Back to it.